Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we have a mail time episode. Edition Burnt Mustang. So, I put up a video about how my harness was a little torchy. It's right over here. And w.WARR Performance hit me up and was like, hey, I'd like to replace the things that were melted. So, they sent me some stuff, which is what we'll open today. Which is incredible of them. I need to, like, you know, bake them a cake or do something. Whoa! This is exciting. This is exciting. This I can use. Well, he sent me 3 extensions. So what are these? Are a little bit longer. That's a little bit shorter. And then he sent firewall grommets that actually split in half. Wow. This is exactly like what I was talking about using. So you can put these in, put the wiring loom through it, pop rivet them on, and then you have a nice seal. That is incredible. Awesome. Maybe he mentioned that, but I didn't know he was going to do that. w.WARR Performance, man. You guys are the best. Yeah, mine are a little roachy. They are completely melted off. So I wanted to do a quick one for them since it is Friday and that's what was in my P.O. box. So, thank you again, w.WARR Performance. You guys are awesome. They sell a lot of stuff like this. I had no idea they sold so many interesting things. It's called Seals It. Split grommet seal. 3/4 inch inside diameter. All sorts of neat stuff. I can't wait to use those on things. Stuff and things. Thank you guys very much. This will be a really short one. No need to blab incessantly about it. Gonna work on this thing a little bit more and hopefully get some roller time on it and check the timing and everything I listed in the video before at great length, Mr. Windbag style. So, if you want to recap, check that out. I'll get this hooked up since I didn't have my fuel pressure boy hooked up. Thank you guys again. You guys are awesome for the support and everything. Everybody that's been helping me out with this car is incredible because I don't have much to show for it right now. So they have been doing this out of the goodness of their heart. So thanks, guys.